Hi, I'm Mike Levine, Ford North America Product Communications Manager, and we're here with the new upgraded 2019 Ford F-150 Raptor. It's the ultimate Ford performance off-road pickup truck, a go-fast desert truck, and it might not look all that different on the outside, but the crown jewel of every Raptor is its suspension, and we've upgraded the suspension with a brand new Fox Racing setup. It's called live valve shocks. It adds a computer-controlled valve to the front and rear shocks, and that valve helps tailor the suspension performance to the terrain that you're driving on. But not only that, it talks to the rest of the truck. So if you're in Baja mode or you're in mud and snow mode, it'll automatically adjust the suspension based on how the truck's driving. So that's really the big news for Raptor for 2019. Plus, like on Ranger, we've added trail control, the new trail control feature. So it's like cruise control for off-road. Whether you're going downhill, uphill, you can set the speed from 1 to 20 miles per hour. You steer, the truck takes care of the rest.